Yeah?
So you cook vertically down, you don't hold the temperature.
Don't hold it down, vertically down.
So vertically down, and then the difference between them 2 points, that's your entropy. Yeah.
What's this one?
That was the free temperature.
I don't know that one. Assuming that's pretty vertical.
Yep.
The other temperature's here.
Yep.
What was it, 30? The other temperature. Who's got the pen? 30, yeah? That's your point. Yeah? You draw that with me, don't you? So that opens down. That reading, and that reading. So the difference between them two, yeah, goes into there how many times, or roughly, right, reading a bit times.